NFL Mixer, pick your team break number 4584. May 14th. Thank you guys for joining. Get that we're live on the main before we start this one. Second, everybody. Get the teams pinned up. If you have a card with multiple team owners, we'll go to the randoms 3 times, top of the list. After 3 is going to get it. We'll be done at the end of the break. Got a good amount of boxes in this one. We'll go over what's coming up. In this one, we got 1 Donruss Optic Hobby, 1 Prism No Huddle Box, 1 Phoenix Hobby, 1 Topps Resurgence Hobby, 1 Cosmic Chrome Hobby, 1 Phoenix H2, and 5 Donruss Optic Blasters. We're starting with the Blasters. Good luck, everybody. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Four. And the final one. Number 5. Good luck, everybody. Last one. Hollow to start is going to be DJ James Coleman for the Bills. Pack 2. Shaka Braylon and Cooper DeJean. Inserts coming up, Hidden Potential, Nate Wiggins and Torrey Taylor for the Bears. Hollow Schultz, JJ for the Vikes. Next shock's going to be J.C. Latham, Tracy Jr. Final pack, blaster 1. Last shock will be of Theo and Murphy II. Blaster 2 coming up. Good luck. Hollow, Jalen Carter, and Estimes for Denver. Shock of Ladd for the Chargers, Kool-Aid. Ladd's going to Jacob. Shock. Insert Lighted Up Caleb for the Bears, DJ James. Another hollow rookie, Saints, Kool-Aid, and Penix. Here we go. Shock of Dallas Turner, Cowling, final pack, blaster 2. Shock will be of Nate Wiggins and Benson. Way to go. Got a hollow fire Malik. Nice one for the Giants. Giants going to Brian T on the short print. First SP from the Blasters. Malik. Rakestraw for the Lions. Hollow and Burton. Shock of Coleman for the Bills and Bo. Four to go. Deshaun and Cooper Latu. Next, hollow Jameer for the Lions, Robinson. Shaka Cooper, Mitchell. Cooper for Philly. Final pack. Next, Sartori and McMillan for the Bucs. Two blasters left. Stack them up. Good luck. Final two. Hollow Buda Baker Polk. Shaka Rattler for the Saints Riker. Saints going to Matt. Cade Stover, Milton the third for the Pats. Next hollow, Aaron Jones, Rice. Shock of Jordan and Malachi. And a shock will be of gold to Leary. Hollow rookie will be of Stover for Houston and Shipley. Texans going to Speed. Shaka Penix for Atlanta. Trevor. Penix. Johnny Wilson. 4 to go. We have Light It Up Tyreek Thomas Jr. for the Jags. Three left. We have an Uptown. We're super due for something. Here comes an Uptown. Kind of making up for, where do we go? I guess we have 1 through 20, so this would be 2 through 25 as of late. Good luck here, Uptown. I think it's going this way. No rookie for the Kansas City Chiefs. Nice one, Patty Mahomes. Nice hit for the Chiefs, going to Kevin. There you go, Kevin. Mahomes, Uptowns. Nice hit for the Chiefs. We got Jared Judy on the hollow for the Browns. Malik base. 2 packs left. Shaka Cowing. Devontae. Final pack. Trey Benson for the Cardinals. Roman Wilson. Gonna move on to Phoenix next. Phoenix H2 first. Good luck here. 1 auto. Couple number cards, Pulsars, and Pandoras. See if we can find a Color Blast, which we haven't seen in a minute. A lot of other case hit stuff. Phoenicians, etc. Good luck. Pack 1. Base pack. Jermaine Burton for the Bengals. Pack 2. Another base pack. Or actually, no, we got a Pandora. First Pandora is for the Giants, Tyler Newman, and a Bo Nix base. Giants, Brian T. Autograph will be for the Dolphins, Jalen Wright. Pandora autographs, not numbered, Dominic G. Jalen Wright. Chris Jenkins for the Bengals, number to 125. First numbered card from H2. Going to Jason T. Jenkins. Latu for the Colts. Another Pandora's coming up. Pittman Jr. Lamar for the Ravens. Baltimore Speed. Ian Robinson. Lamar on the Pandora. Silver's coming up. Okereke and Mitchell for Philly. Pulsar. First Pulsar, Rome for the Bears. Solid one for Chicago. Bears go to Tom. Seems like the Pulsars are a little bit harder to hit than the Pandoras, but still pop up quite a bit. It definitely feels like Pandora's 1.5 to 2 times more common than the Pulsars, at least from what we've been pulling. We'll see if that's true though. So 2 Pandoras so far. Silver in front, Theo Johnson, another one for the Giants. Here's Murphy the second for the Seahawks and Joe Milton behind it. Murphy's to 75. Jonathan C. Milton Pats. Patriots going to Randy. Pandora inserts will be a nice one for the Commanders. Jaden, rookie rising. Nice Jaden for Norman, not numbered. And Brendan Rice, 2 packs left, H2. Another Pandora. Aiden Hutchinson for the Lions, Malachi. Last pack from H2. Good luck. Got a Pulsar and a numbered card coming up. Pulsar James Cook. Final numbered card AJ Brown. Should be to 33. 25 to 33 for Philly. Eagles going to James. AJ Brown to 33. And final card, Leary for the Ravens. We're going to move on here to Phoenix Hobby. Two autographs, one memorabilia. Good luck. Red to start. Nico DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Going to be numbered to 99. Another one for Johnathon. DK. Red. McMillan's for the Bucks. We're just going to swap this out real quick here. Active. Silver, Brock Purdy for the Niners. We got a wave coming up. Jordan Travis, Jets, and Tyler Nubin. Jets going to William. Niners for Trevor. On the silver. First hit's coming up here. Good luck. Jamar Chase, Trayvon for the Colts, AR. It's a 199 jersey card. Anthony Richardson. DeMarcus Lawrence for the boys to 249, as well as the Jonathan Brooks. Dallas Jason Lawrence. Brooks for the Panthers, also to 249. Panthers, Matthew Smith. Brooks. 2 autos should be left here. Another red. Micah McCaffrey to 99 for the Commanders, Norman. Luke McCaffrey, red. Joe Alts for the Chargers. Wave coming up will be of Okereke, another Giant. Trice. Filler. Treasure Tandems, Burrow, Jamar Chase, tip for the Cardinals to 299 for Matt. Tip. Next hit's coming up here. Good luck. Logan Wilson, Chargers, Brendan Rice to 99. RPA. Chargers going to Jacob Brogdon. Brendan Rice on the RPA. 91 to 99. Karlaftis for the Chiefs to 299. Karlaftis. Bow base. One auto left from Hobby. Wave coming up. Treasure Tandems, Purdy, McCaffrey, Latu. Numbered card will be of Autry for the Texans to 199. Autry. Number to 399, Keelan Robinson for the Jaguars. One Jacob. One auto left, 3 packs to go. Not in this one. Filler. Contour, Saquon for Philly and Robinson. Might be our hit right here. We'll find out. Last auto, good luck. Adam Thielen, Diggs for the Jaguars. Nice one. Thomas Jr. Dual jersey autograph. Jacksonville, Jaguars. Gonna be for Jacob. Nice hit on the BTJ. 127 of 149. Nice. BTJ RPA. To 149. Chris Olave is the 399 for the Saints. Get these situated real quick here. Olave. Mitchell for Philly. Final pack, Phoenix Hobby. One last numbered card, Moss, Jatavian Ellis for Denver. Number to 50. Jonah Ellis. Going to Jordan. Gonna move on here. We'll go with let's go with Cosmic next. See if we can find a big auto. Good luck. We got cards that are backwards. Steve Young, launching Orbit Levis, Troy Aikman on the Starkman and rights. Not every pack's like that, looks like it. Will Levis for the Titans, Kurt Warner, Arizona, Cribbs, and Davis. Maybe just those packs. Barry Sanders, Robinson, Galaxy Great, Sherman, Wilson. San Marino, Jones, Theo Johnson, Refractor, and Smith. Gates, Young, McCaffrey's will go to the randoms, and Vidal. Galaxy Greats, LT, and Pearsall. Johnson, Hall, Ryans, Malik. Let's see if we can get something here. Here comes a black to 10. Hopefully there's some ink to this. I think to 10 here. 3 of 10. Culpepper for the Vikes. Nice one for Minnesota. Dante Culpepper, 3 of 10. Vikings going to William. Nice little Culpepper there. Brett Favre will be a Galaxy Greats and backside Turner. Come on, show some ink. Next one coming up, launched into orbit, will be of Drake May for the Patriots. Patriots going to Randy. Blake Corum for the Rams. Sharp, Star Command, Warren Moon, Doorless rookie. Tom Brady base, Bo, Batch, McCaffrey. McMahon refractor for the randoms, Peyton Smith Sanders. We'll go 3 times on that. Leary. 2 star clusters going to the randoms at the end. We got Leggett for the Panthers. Galaxy Greats, Emmitt Smith, Estime. Should be seeing at least one more numbered card. Here's one. Manning, blue, Dolphins, Wright. Another one of Jalen Wright to 99. Dominic G. Jalen. Latu for the Colts. 5 packs left. Another numbered card. Manley. Here's a cool one for the Patriots to 99. Drake May, Tom Brady. Sweet. 91 to 99 star clusters. It's a nice one for the Pats. Going to Randy. And Leaf Foul, 4 to go. There's Brady for the Bucks on the launched in orbit. Brewski, Galaxy Greats, Isaac. More Brady. Tampa Bay's James. Launch into orbit. Ready to go. Base back. Robinson, 2 left. Nucleus, Brooks for the Panthers. Another Brady, Star Command for the Patriots. And Sumataya. Ready with the Pats. Brooks for Carolina. Final pack coming up. Cosmic. One final numbered card. Heap for the Ravens. Color match to 150. Baltimore going to speed. Heap. Barton will close out Cosmic. No auto, but wasn't a bad box there. Couple nice numbered cards. Going to Resurgence. 3 autos coming up. Good luck here. This is going to be our RPA. Put that back there. Good luck. Marino Refractor. Malik Neighbors for the Giants. G-Men. Going to Brian T. Nice hit on the Malik auto. Here you go, Brian. Refractor auto. Malik Neighbors. Nice. Couple nice Maliks here. Bradshaw, Glimmers and Gleam. Bishop and Rook. Bays, Munoz, Walter Payton's number to 125 for the Bears. Malachi on the Voltaic Refractor. Eric All and Mims, both Bengals. Walter Payton to 125. Is this a redemption? It is. Redemption coming up. Good luck. Kind of random on the redemptions and Resurgence. Resurgence rookie signature of Bucky for Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay Bucks going to James Haley. So Bucky will be auto number 2. 2 solid rookie autos. Harrison, Brock on the base, and Cooper. Final auto is going to be that RPA. Looking for something low numbered here. Refractor, rookie Cedric Gray, 80 Mitchell, Circuit Breakers, Refractor, Burton Leggett. Pulled a couple super refractors already out of this product. Got a refractor coming up. Dawkins for Philly. We'll take Worthy insert, Devontae, and Matsu. Bays, Fred Taylor, Favre. Here is Leggett to 50 on the golds. 33 of 50. Carolina's Matthew Smith. Xavier. Marshawn Lloyd on the Circuit Breakers. Braswell and Cardi. Got 2 boxes left after this. Prism No Huddle and Optic Hobby. Drew Brees for the Saints, number 249, Glimmers and Gleam. It's going to go to Matt. Brees. Powers Johnson, backside, Sumataya. 4 left. Eli, refractor rookie Newman, more Giants. Conductor is far for the Vikings on that one. Kamari and Leafa. Three left. Refractor rookie Johnny Wilson, circuit breakers base Corum, Alt, and Malik. Two to go. Numbered cards coming up. Elway refractor Breeze for the Saints and for the boys. Glimmers and Gleam Witten to 275. Dallas Cowboys Jason Lawrence. Cooper DeJean's a base for Philly and Bucky for Tampa Bay. Final pack. Then we got the RPA. Jim Kelly, Ogden, Jonathan Brooks to 199 for Carolina. Panthers Matthew Smith, another 199. Conductors Elway. There's Jaden on the base and Colson. RPA coming up. Good luck here. See how strong it is. Malik might be the best auto. We'll find out. Got another nice one. Reed, Stroud, Torrey Holt, and for the Packers, the 25, Marshawn Lloyd. 13 at 25. Nice two-color patch for Green Bay. Jason Sartori. To 25, nice. Ricky Williams on the Voltaic. We got Stover and Wiley. And we'll close out Resurgence. Moving on here. Go with Prism No Huddle coming up next. Alrighty. These back a little more here. Get everything situated. All right, guys, good luck. Prism No Huddle. One auto. Marshawn Lloyd, yeah, he's popping up like crazy. Good luck, guys. Base, Shaq Thompson, where we got Jahmyr Gibbs on the fireworks. There's JJ Base, Jordan Jefferson. First numbered card will be for the Jaguars, Trayvon. Number to 75, 12 of 75 red. Another one for Jacob. Texans, light blue on the back end, as well as our ink. Kirk Cousins, McClellan, our peel backwards. For Philly, it's a nice one. Eagles, Cooper DeJean auto. Nice hit. Going to James Haley. There you go, James. Cooper DeJean base auto. Very nice. Neas Williams will be for the Cardinals to 99. Going to Matt. Purple. Stidham, Brock Purdy Fireworks. There's Brock on the base. Leaf foul. Purple coming up. Bucks, Mike Alstott to 49. 32 of 49. Another one for James. Alstott. Looking for gold or better to close us out here. Base, Tremble, Hutchinson. McCaffrey will be our variation. Sometimes you get two. Luke McCaffrey going to Washington. Drake May on the base for the Patriots. Rook Edwards, rookie for the Steelers. Pitt. Steelers going to Brad. Base, Burrow, Kyle Pitts. We got Cooper DeJean on the Prismatic. Javon Baker, Isaac. Got a red rookie. Patriots, Drake May, number to 75. Nice hit patch. 5 of 75 on the red. It's going to go to Randy. Nice box of no huddle so far. Another solid one. Drake made a 75. Patriots upgrading from the one in front. This is a nice one in front as well though. Another Cooper DeJean. Got a couple packs left. Base, Worthy, Brooks, Torrey Holtz for the Rams. Four packs left. Light blues coming up. Base, Zach Moss. There's a nice variation for Denver. Bone Nix. Definitely a good box here. Bo's going to Jordan Hill. Very nice. Variation. We have Bucky for Tampa Bay. Nealon. Rookie, Giants again. Theo Johnson color match to 99. Theo, good looking card. 3 packs to go. Laub, Flournoy, Hutchinson. Two left. Lions, Trevor. Got a red coming up. Might be the last numbered card. Corum on the Emergent. Bullard, Mitchell, red. No rookie. Coach, Bill Parcells. 75. More Giants. Brian T. Rams is Trevor on the Corum. Let me fix this real quick here. And final pack from No Huddle. Definitely a solid box, though. Base, we have Frank Gore for the Niners. Keelan for the Jaguars. Chop and Diggs for Houston. On to the final box of the break. It will be Donruss Optic Hobby. Going downtown hunting. See if we could find one to close out the break. Again, everything will be in that recap at the end of the break. Cased up. If it's not cased up, probably won't be. If you're in the black box, I think that one might be full, so we'll get into that one after this. And depending on, we might maybe put up one more break, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll go baseball, close out the night, a small baseball break. So good luck, everyone. Pack one. Numbered rookie to start. Blue. Philly again. There's Cooper. More Cooper to Jean. Nice hit to 199. Solid player break for the Eagles of just Cooper. James Haley. Solid. Start to this one. Jalen Wright. Popped up quite a bit. Insert best studies. Watson, J-Love, Ben Sinnott. Hollow rookie, Newton for the Commanders, Jenkins. Orange, Nick Chubb for the Browns to 249, Cleveland. Browns going to William. Chubb. Edwards for the Steelers base. Green rookie. Dolphins, Malik. Dominic G. 10 of 50. Malik Washington. Decently low numbered. Michael Pratt for the Bucks. All right, hopefully we got a rookie box here. My house coming up. There's Jaden for the Commanders and Ladd. Jaden My House. Going to Norman. Otto's still live. Dallas Turner. Electricity. No rookie. Kyle Pitts. The 75. Everyone's saying Kyle Pitts is going to break out pretty much every year. It might just be that maybe he needs a change of team or something because it feels like he never breaks out. Nate Wiggins might not live up to his hype, unfortunately. Jameer. Flex the 149 for the Lions. Going to Trevor. Jameer Gibbs. Bell. Wow, we have RPA, I think, for autograph. See who it is. Treylon Burks. RPA is coming up. RDS. Ray Davis to 25 for the Bills. Rookie patch autos. One color patch, though. Wish they would have gave us a little better there. Buffalo Bills. Going to Matt. Ray Davis. Got the best auto in the class, though. As clean as it could be. Ray Davis. 16/25. Tavondre, Titans. Should be a couple more numbered cards to close out this one. Aqua, Joey B for Cincy. To 299. Burrow. Bengals, Jason Tharp. On the Aqua. Jaquan. Hollow. AJ Dillon, Braylon. Base, primary colors, Burton, JC Latham. Base pack, Theo Johnson. Orange, rookie. Might be one of our final chances here for the Broncos. Jonah Ellis. Color match, numbered to 249. Jordan Hill. Jonah Ellis. Blake Corum. Base, Joe Alt. 4 to go. Ooh, here's good color. Might be a Viking. Show us JJ. Wrong one. Reichert's to 299. 3 packs left. Going to William. Trice. Another hollow. DK Metcalf, Mason Smith, final 2. Inserts, Chopper Harmsen tip, final pack. We are closing with a blue, no rookie, Kobe Turner for the Rams to 199. That's going to go to Trevor, and Trotter Jr. will cap Donruss Optic. Give me a second to do the recap. Appreciate you guys once again for joining this one. We got a couple for the randoms, those star clusters. Well, actually, you know what? Let's do the star clusters now before the recap. Just find those cards and everything else gets shown shortly here. If you're in the black box break, that break should be coming up after this. And then potentially there might be one more tonight. Maybe we'll go baseball. If not, something else. Maybe a smaller football or baseball. Bears, Cowboys, Lions, star clusters to start. Peyton Smith Sanders 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That one's going to go to the Bears. Next one, Commanders, Broncos, McCaffrey's 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That's going to go to the Broncos. All right. Let's get through the recap here. Trevor, I'm thinking baseball because we kind of are backed up on baseball, it feels like. Kind of with the blasters and Donruss Optic, we're due for a hit. We're due for some baseball in the group. Maybe to close out the night. I'm not sure what it would be. Probably Bowman and Chrome Black, similar to the one that we've ran a couple times. Maybe we'll swap it with Jumbo. Try a Jumbo box. The Discos, Hall of Fire Malik. Rome Pulsar, Lamar, Jaden, Rookie Rising, Pandora. Some of the numbered cards. Drake May Brady. Culpepper to 10. Leggett to 50. Jalen Wrights. A.J. Brown. Some of the hits. Ray Davis on the RPA. Jalen Wrights. Bucky. Resurgence rookie signature. Brendan Rice for the Chargers. AR. Number to 199. We had the Cooper DeJean rookie auto. Prism No Huddle. We had the Marshawn Lloyd to 25 two-color RPA. We had the Bo Nix variation for Denver. Malik on the Refractor rookie auto from Resurgence. BTJ Rising Rookies RPA. That one was numbered to 149. Uptowns, a Patty. Chiefs. And Drake May, numbered to 75 for the Pats. Thank you guys once again for hopping in. If you guys are in that black box, we'll get that one running shortly here. I will see you guys on the next piece.